With a single change to Windows settings, we upgrade our clipboard capabilities. Hello everyone, and welcome to TechFixFlix. Windows Clipboard has long been a fixture of the operating system, invoked whenever an item is copied or cut. However, its functionality has remained restricted, and its limitations have led to the popularity of third-party utilities addressing the needs of more demanding users. In particular, many wish lists include copying and retaining multiple items, selectively deleting from the clipboard or clearing it entirely, pinning items to survive clearance, and sharing items across devices. Whilst it's evident that Microsoft has future plans for the clipboard, its current functionality can be significantly expanded by taking advantage of an option which is presently disabled by default. Let's enable it. From the desktop, we click the Start menu and type Clipboard, clicking to launch Clipboard settings. Assuming our Windows version is newer than the October 2018 update, within the Clipboard settings dialog, we simply move this slider to turn clipboard history on. To see the additional functionality this change provides, we've created a simple Word file, which we open. We see that the file contains one line of text and two graphics. We therefore select the text and right-click it, selecting the option to copy, which copies the text to the clipboard. With clipboard history now enabled, we use the new keyboard combination Windows key plus V to show the clipboard. We can see our copied text ready to paste. Up until this point, any further item we copy to the clipboard would entirely replace this text. However, with clipboard history enabled, this is no longer the case. Now we click away from the clipboard and select our first graphic. We press Ctrl+C to copy. Then, we click on the next graphic, where we again press Ctrl+C. Next time we summon the clipboard using Windows key plus V, we see all three items which we've copied. Now, we open a blank document, then press the Windows key plus V, and we can select any of the three copied items to paste. In this instance, we pick the middle item, clicking to paste it into the new document. Returning to the clipboard with Windows key plus V, we can see that we can selectively delete one of the items, leaving the others untouched. Or, we can pin an item to ensure that it remains available after we clear the remainder of the clipboard. Here we've deleted the large graphic, but we opt to pin the logo. When we click to clear all, the logo remains on the clipboard. Returning to the clipboard settings, we turn the Sync Across Devices slider to the On position. Note that we're dealing with pasting text rather than graphics or other objects, and we have the option to enable or disable automatic sync across devices. We open a web page, in this case our YouTube playlists, and select a portion of the text, pressing Ctrl+C to copy it into the clipboard. We then move across to another of our machines, and we've signed in on this machine with the same Microsoft account, again with Clipboard Sync enabled. When we press the Windows key plus V, the text we copied from the first machine is immediately available to paste. Our only concern here is that presumably the data in our clipboard has been stored in the cloud upon Microsoft-controlled servers, which may raise some privacy issues. Be sure to check out our back catalogue and subscribe for our future projects. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing by clicking the logo on screen now. If you'd like to see more, there are two suggestions currently on screen. If you have a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. You're also welcome to follow us on Twitter. Until your next tech fix, goodbye.